Stockholm, the Venice of the North built across 14 islands. And you're stuck squinting at a laminated map half a step behind a group. Group tours rush you through Stortorget in 5 minutes, past the city library's famous dome, with no time to actually take it in. Uvamai Stockholm self-guided audio tour puts the whole city in your hands. Your access link lands straight in your inbox with professional narration and an interactive map ready whenever you are. No group, no fixed schedule, just Stockholm at your pace for up to 6 days. Stand in Stortorget and uncover the dark history behind its postcard-perfect square. Wander the medieval lanes of Gamla Stan, 700 years of Scandinavian history hidden behind cobblestone streets. Step inside Gunnar Asplin's iconic city library, a temple to knowledge with its striking circular reading room. Stroll the grand mansions of Strandvägen, Stockholm's answer to the Champs-Élysées. Then take a short ferry across the water to Rosendal's Trädgård, Sweden's first biodynamic garden. 17 stops. Your Stockholm. Your story. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Stockholm, not just photograph it. Available in 12 languages. Real stories. Real freedom. Real discovery. $6. 17 Stockholm landmarks. The Venice of the North, told the way it deserves. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.